asunto-osakeyhtiö Harjun puisto.
It's also very amazing today. On the 10th of July 2023 we have Harjukatu 32 staircase A. We filmed the staircase B here as well. Here in Lahti, Finland. You can watch both of them here. And in the staircase B I also did the floor decoration for the floor right there, so you can watch that as well. And I think also these doors are special.
Yeah.
Quite interesting. It was built in 1955 and it's going to be 70 years old in 2025, and it's number stage 6216. Also the panel here is a bit special.
Yeah.
It must have been like, maybe it was changed in 1990, but
Yeah.
best these 4 persons are in 20 grams, going to be inspected next year, 2024. We thought this would be 6 persons, but it's still 4 persons.
Yeah.
But the shaft is larger.
Mm.
It also deserves 3 eyes.
Yeah.
6 plus here.
Teetpaikin vaikuttaa, että me teetpai, se on hissirakointi. They were cleaners and it was a bit embarrassing, but maybe it was okay. Yeah.
First floor.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for watching. Turn it on.
Yeah. That's